Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back again with another video. Sorry, it has been pretty crazy recently, but I finally did the setup, which is from the headers back. I have a wide pipe to a 3-inch single, and then I have a vibrant ultra quiet resonator, and then I have just a custom dual exhaust setup. Well, they're just tips, but I had to custom make those. And it sounds pretty good, and this is going to be the video of me like showing you actually how it sounds. And it does sound deep on startup, and the drone isn't really that bad on the highways. Yeah, lower speeds it does get a little bit loud, but really not that loud to the point where it's uncomfortable. And so let me start out for you. This is going to be a cold start. More than likely, I'm going to keep the video running for when it gets warm, so you can see how silent it does get, and then I'll do a couple of revs, and I hope you enjoy it. So I will try to get my GoPro up and running later tonight. I'll try to get some outer video about it, about the exhaust. It does sound really nice and aggressive, and I went with I like the OEM style because the tips, they just look like there's nothing, you know, there's nothing like popping out from the car. So I do like that too. And if you have any questions, please comment down below if you need any pictures or anything of the setup like that. And there is a video of my setup on my Instagram if you guys are wondering what it is, and my Instagram is in the description below. But it is E91 underscore swaggin, SWAGGIN underscore wagon. So give me a follow, or if you just want to look at the setup, by all means go for it. And I hope all of y'all are doing good. Stay safe out there.